Hello fellow moms! Today I will do some quick and easy cooking using Instant Pot. Tossing in some pork ribs and add water just enough to cover the meat. Here I'm adding in some powdered spices like ginger, ground pepper, garlic and onion powder, as well as salt. Cover it up and set it according to your preference. Me, I'm delaying this for 2 hours to start just in time for lunch after doing some groceries. Life can be too busy at times. That is why it's very helpful to have Instant Pot at home to cook while doing some errands. And now I'm back. We just need to do the last phase of adding fish sauce and more salt and pepper for your desired taste. This is the best time to add the fresh spices like onions, bell pepper, lemongrass, ginger, and some vegetables. Cook this for about 4 minutes, just enough not to overcook your vegetables. A fun tip, I use wet paper towel to cover the vent to reduce loud hissing sound and avoid the excess steam to hit your cabinet doors. Now we're done! Enjoy the soup with your family, guys! Thanks for watching!